Hello guys, this is Karan, your friend on Road to Success, and this is lecture 2 on class 9th biology, the fundamental unit of life. In the last lecture we studied till nucleus, and now we'll study about the next component, cytoplasm. So, when we saw the temporary amount of onion peel, there was a whole large portion of this lighter stained region. So what is this? This is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane and इसके अंदर specialized cell organelles होती हैं जो specific function करते हैं. Cell organelles के भी membrane होती हैं. Now, why do viruses do not show life? Because they lack any membrane. Okay, that is why when they enter a living body, they use the cell machinery to multiply. Okay. Next, we'll talk about cell organelles. Large and complex cells, including cells from multicellular organisms, need a lot of chemical activities to support their complicated structure and function. तो ये activities कौन separate करता है एक दूसरे से? And these activities are performed by organelles, which are membrane-bound little structures. Okay, so cell organelle is one of the feature of eukaryotic cell, and some of them are only visible with an electron microscope because they are that small. Examples of cell organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, and plastids. They are important because they perform very crucial functions in the cell. For the very first cell organelle, we will be studying about endoplasmic reticulum. This is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets, and they do not have a definite shape. They form a network system of long tubules or round-shaped or oblong bags, that is vesicles. So, the structure of ER membrane is very similar to plasma membrane. Plasma membrane was made of lipid and proteins. So, ER membrane is also made of the same. Although ER varies greatly in appearance in different cells, they form a network system. Now, there are two types of ER, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Let us differentiate them. Rough endoplasmic reticulum looks rough under microscope. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके पास ribosomes attached होते हैं. Now, what is the function of ribosome? Ribosomes are the site of protein manufacture, and after the protein is manufactured, these are sent to various places inside the cell as well as outside the cell using the ER. Next, we will talk about smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is the site of manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. These are important for cell function, and some of these proteins and lipids जो हैं वो cell membrane, cell की खुद की membrane को help करता है build up करने के लिए. So this process is known as membrane biogenesis. अपनी ही membrane को manufacture करना. Some other proteins and lipid functions as enzymes and hormones. Another function of ER is that they serve as channels to transport different materials like proteins which they make from various regions, cytoplasm के बीच में या फिर cytoplasm to the nucleus. ER also functions as a cytoplasmic framework as it provides a surface for biochemical activities. Vertebrates के जो liver cells में हैं वहाँ पर smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. ठीक है? So this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are the ribosomes attached which make them appear rough. Next cell organelle we will be talking about is Golgi apparatus. This was first described by Camillo Golgi, and this consists of system of membrane-bound vesicles or the flattened sac. Arranged कैसे arranged होते हैं? Parallel way में होते हैं, and these are called as cisterns. These are plural में cistern है. Okay? So इनके पास connection होता है ER के साथ, and they form a complex cellular membrane system. Material synthesized near ER is packed and dispatched to various targets inside and outside through Golgi apparatus. जो ER बनाता है वो गोल्गी apparatus में आता है, यहाँ पर ही पैक होता है और यहाँ से डिस्पैच होता है वेरियस टारगेट, सेल के अंदर भी और सेल के बाहर भी. Now, the function of Golgi apparatus is storage, modification and packaging of products. This is the sys space from where different products come in, and this is the trans space. Okay. So, in some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in Golgi apparatus. Simple sugars से complex sugar बनाने का काम भी Golgi apparatus का है. And next, very important function is formation of lysosomes. Okay. So next organelle we will be talking about is lysosomes. ये क्या है? Membrane bound sacs हैं and these are filled with digestive enzymes. These digestive enzymes are made by RER and what is the function? Waste disposal system है cell का, ठीक है? They digest any foreign material or as well as worn out cells. Foreign material as such as bacteria or food. Okay. They also eat up these old organelles. Okay. So basic काम क्या है इनका? They break the complex substance into simple substance. Lysosomes are able to do this because they contain powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all the organic material. कभी कभी क्या होता है, जब सेल्यूलर मेटाबॉलिज्म में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस आता है जैसे कि सेल डैमेज हो गया है, तो लाइसोसोम में बर्स्ट और अपना ही सेल को अपने ही एंजाइम से डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है. सो द एंजाइम्स डाइजेस्ट देयर ओन सेल, इसीलिए इनको सुसाइड बैग्स कहते हैं. नोट दिस कम्स इन द एग्जाम. नेक्स्ट cell organelle we will be talking about is mitochondria. Mitochondria को power house of the cell कहते हैं. क्यों? Because they produce the power required by the body. Okay. Mitochondria have two membrane coverings. जो outer membrane है वो porous होती है, inner membranes में बहुत सारे fold होते हैं. ये fold क्यों है? ताकि जो ये increase कर सके surface area for ATP generating chemical activities. जो हमारी केमिकल एक्टिविटीज में एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड है, दिस इज एटीपी. एटीपी का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. इट इज अ वन मार्कर. नोट दिस. नाउ एटीपी इज नोन एज द एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल. ओके. सो द बॉडी यूजेस एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन एटीपी फॉर मेकिंग न्यू केमिकल कंपाउंड्स एंड फॉर मैकेनिकल वर्क. अब माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की एक स्ट्रेंज बात है कि इसके पास अपना ही डीएनए है एंड राइबोसोम है, इसलिए ये अपना ही प्रोटीन मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट ऑर्गेनेल वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इज प्लास्टिड. दिस प्लास्टिड इज ओनली प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट्स एंड प्लास्टिड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू, क्रोमोप्लास्ट एंड ल्यूकोप्लास्ट. क्रोमोप्लास्ट इज द कलर्ड प्लास्टिड जिनमें पिगमेंट होगी एंड ल्यूकोप्लास्ट इज द कलरलेस और व्हाइट प्लास्टिड. जिस क्रोमोप्लास्ट में क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट होगी उसको हम क्लोरोप्लास्ट कहते हैं. ठीक है. So this is a proplastid present in the meristematic region and from this is where the plastids derive. This is a etioplast. Now what is a etioplast? Etioplast is an intermediate plastid which on exposure to the light transforms itself to the chloroplast. This is chromoplast, pigmented plastid है, and this is leucoplast. Leucoplast क्या है? Leucoplast is again white colorless plastid which is divided into amyloplast, elioplast and proteinoplast. This is amyloplast जिसमें starch granules को स्टोर किया जाता है. This is elioplast जिसमें fatty acids को स्टोर किया जाता है. And this is proteinoplast, of course proteins को स्टोर किया जाता है. Now what is the function of chloroplast? Chloroplast is very important for photosynthesis as it contains chlorophyll. Chloroplast may also contain various yellow or orange pigments in addition to chlorophyll. Now chloroplast का जो internal organization है वो कैसा है? Stroma material में different numerous membrane layers embedded होती हैं. ये देखिए, this is the different numerous layers embedded in the yellow stroma material. Okay, this is the chloroplast. ल्यूकोप्लास्ट का क्या काम है हमने देख लिया है. स्टार्च, ऑयल या प्रोटीन ग्रैन्यूल्स को स्टोर करता है. Now plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes, so they also can make their own proteins. Next we'll talk about vacuoles. Vacuoles क्या है? These are the storage sac for solid or liquid content. Sorry. These are small sized in animal cells, while plant cell में these are very large. They occupy about 50 to 90% of the cell volume. In plant cells, the vacuole is filled with cell sap, so they provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Okay? So many substances which are important for the life of the plant cell is stored here, like amino acid, sugar, various organic acid and proteins. अमीबा में क्या है? स्पेशलाइज्ड फूड वैक्यूल है, जहां पर जो अमीबा ने फूड आइटम्स इंजेस्ट किए हैं वहां पर जाकर स्टोर हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. और कुछ अदर यूनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में स्पेशलाइज्ड वैक्यूल होते हैं जो एक्सेस वाटर को एक्सपेल करते हैं और वेस्ट को भी एक्सपेल करने में हेल्प करते हैं. So this is a vacuole in an animal cell, and this is an animal cell. This is the nucleus. This is the RER and SER. This is mitochondria. This is Golgi apparatus. ठीक है? So this is a whole animal cell. So अब जैसे कि हमारी बॉडी बेसिक फंक्शंस करती है, रेस्पायर करती है, न्यूट्रिशन ऑब्टेन करती है, वेस्ट मटेरियल क्लियर करती है, हमने देखा कि सेल भी वो बेसिक फंक्शंस कर रहा है. ठीक है. जैसे कि सेल आल्सो परफॉर्म्स बेसिक फंक्शंस लाइक respiration, obtaining nutrition and clearing waste material or forming new proteins. Therefore, cell is the fundamental structural unit of living organism, and it is also the basic functional unit of life. Note this may come in the exam. Next we will talk about cell division. अब new cells क्यों बनते हैं? क्योंकि इनको replace करना होता है old, dead या फिर injured cells को, या फिर इनको reproduction के लिए gametes produce करने होते हैं. Now, the process by which new cells are made is known as cell division, and there are two types of cell divisions, mitosis and meiosis. The process by which cell divide for growth and repair is known as mitosis. Most of the cells divide for growth, right? Now we will differentiate between mitosis and meiosis, and these may come in the exam. So, mitosis में क्या होता है? The mother cell divides and forms two new daughter cells, and these are identical to each other. The daughter cell have the exact number of chromosomes as in mother cell, and this mitosis happens for as it helps in growth and repair of the tissue. Sorry. Now we will talk about meiosis. These are specific cells which are present in animal or plant cells which divide to form gametes. Okay, so which after fertilization offsprings produce करते हैं. meiosis में क्या है? दो consecutive divisions हो रहे हैं और total में 4 new cells बन रहे हैं, and the new cells only have the half number of chromosomes. ठीक है. mother cell से half number of chromosomes होती है. Now why is it half number of chromosome? Because while fertilization, when the two cells fertilize or fuse together, there will be half number of mother chromosome and half number of father chromosome, which will fuse together to form a whole set of chromosome. Okay. So this is mitosis and this is meiosis. This is the earlier stage where the chromosomes are not defined. Here chromosomes get defined, then chromosomes divide, and these are the two new cells. This is meiosis. यहाँ पर chromosome defined हो गई हैं. Here they divide in the first meiosis, and this is the second meiosis where 4 new cells are produced. Note, here यहाँ पर recombination होता है. Okay. This is where the variation happens. So meiosis में variation भी होता है. So with this we finish the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. Thank you for watching the lecture 2. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, do comment below. Bye bye.